Hi everyone, this is Liz from Creative Life of Liz, and I'm here planning for the week of May 3rd through the 9th. Kind of crazy that we are already this far in. I realized I forgot to grab a Mother's Day thing, but that's fine. I'll grab it later. It's all gonna work out. I'm using this kit from Ninja Mom Designs. I've never used a kit from her shop, but I think it's cute and definitely Cinco de Mayo themed. So got full boxes, some functional things, a couple deco, and then some strips of washi. I also pulled in some other washi, these two skinny ones from Dollar Tree to be the headers, and then this wider one to go at the bottom along with a strip of this. So my plan is to throw all this washi down and then come back so that we can do the rest of the planning. All right, so this gets us through kind of like our basics. So now we'll do the full boxes. I feel like these two kind of go together, and those two, and maybe these two, I guess, as the other two. So I think I'm gonna use this one as my quote box. And then this green one can go right here. Not really sure the best way to divide these up, so I'm just gonna kind of wing it a little bit. Please excuse all the noise from my cat trying to find something he shouldn't be trying to find. I guess this one. I'm not sure exactly what he's attacking, but that is anything he should be playing with. And then this one. And this one. Make it nice and fast on these. There we go. All right, that looks pretty cute. For the sidebar, I think I'm just gonna use more of this washi because as much as I like it, there's just not that many kits it goes with. So I feel like it's a good choice to use a lot of it here while I can. I am going to use this leftover. I think this is from My Planner Life UK for my habit tracker here. And then I pulled a Wonton and a Million Craftsmith book. These are from Michael's. And then I'm going to use this bright blue tooth icon because I'm tracking cleaning my cat's teeth. At least until it becomes like truly a habit. I want to make sure to track it. Another strip of washi. And then I pulled out this American Crafts book, and I'm going to use this checklist here. It has 7 boxes, so that means I can use it to track my dinners. Like so. And then I have this bit of space left over, so I think I'm just going to use this guy. It doesn't really fit. I think I'm just going to overlap the bottom washi a little. I think that's fine. there we go. So that is that. Okay, next up comes my daily plans. I pulled these Prairie Planner laptop icons. These are the brights, so that I can use them to mark my work for the week. So I think I'm gonna use I guess we'll use the red. I feel like that's harder to use than the yellow, to be honest. And then a green one here. And then we'll choose 2 more for the other side when we get there. Stick this away before I stab myself. Also on Monday, I just want to mark my plan with me. We'll go live. My goal is to, I want to use these, or do I want to use these? Or these? I think I'll use these. These are from Creative Cavern Studio. These are the Aspen YouTube Binge. But I'm gonna use one of these this week. My plan with me is gonna go live, so I want to mark that. I think that's all I have there. Tuesday, nothing. Wednesday, I am just gonna take this Cinco to Mayo thing right here, and I'm just gonna put it over the full box, I think. There we go. Now it's marked. Good to go. I think that's all I have there. And then Thursday and Friday, I'm gonna stick in these 2. And then I can put these away as well. And then the only other thing I want to mark is Mother's Day. So I mentioned at the beginning I forgot to grab the stickers, but I pulled them out. These are the Happy Planner stickers. Mother's Day is in this set. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it on this flag because this is the only one I can turn sideways. I'm going to turn it sideways and then put Mother's Day on top of it. All right, that looks pretty cute. It takes up a lot of space, but I think that's going to be fine. So this is my pre-planning. Super bare bones right now, but I think it's going to be cute once it is done. I'm not going to write anything in because there's just so little to write in, and you guys don't need to watch me do that. So stick around for just a second and you can see the finished spread. All right, here's the finished spread. Super colorful and fun. I love how it turned out. I have just a little bit left from the kit from Ninja Mom Designs, just like part of a washi strip. So I'll throw it in my leftovers, see what I use. If I don't mention it, it did come from that kit. This bottom washi is from Michael's. Going down the side, this skinny washi is from Dollar Tree. This is a Recollections sticker from Michael's, and the habit tracker is from a leftover from my Planner Life UK, and then this is an American Craft strip. The computers are all from Creative Cavern Studio, as is this little icon here. This is more Dollar Tree washi. This one is from Beautiful Planning, Piper Paper Company. And then the sticker is a Happy Planner sticker here at the end. And that's really all I used. So definitely not a ton of stuff. I had to pull in extra beyond the washi. But yeah, you can hear my cat in the background. Anyway, let me know what kits you're using for summer. I'm finally figuring that out. I haven't finalized all of that, but let me know what you're doing so that hopefully it'll help me with my planning. Follow me on Instagram at Creative Life with Liz to see in progress and finished spreads. I tag all the shops. All that good stuff. And until next time, bye.